If you're seeing Steam error 30, that usually means there's a connection or verification failure, and the game is not properly recognizing that the Steam client is running. The good news is that this error is often caused by a few common settings, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot Steam error 30, from disabling VPNs and clearing cache to resetting your network and checking your system time. If this guide helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Steam often blocks connections from VPNs and anonymous proxies, and that can trigger verification problems. If your VPN is on, turn it off completely. If you have a proxy enabled in Windows or in your browser settings, disable that as well. After that, fully close Steam and reopen it. Then launch the game again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear Steam's cache. Start with the download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then click Downloads and select Clear Cache. Steam may ask you to log in again, which is completely normal. Once that's done, restart Steam and test the game again. Next, you should clear the HTML cache manually. Open File Explorer and go to c:\users/username/appdata/local/steam. Inside that folder, look for a folder called HTML cache and delete it. If you don't see app data, make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer. Removing this cache can help fix corrupted data that may be stopping Steam from verifying your session properly. Now let's refresh your network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run ipconfig/flushdns. After that, run netsh winsock reset. These commands clear old DNS data and reset your Windows network stack, which can solve connection problems that cause Steam error 30. Once both commands are complete, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. Another important step is to check your firewall and antivirus software. Sometimes Windows Defender, Firewall, or a third-party antivirus can block Steam from connecting correctly. Open your firewall settings and make sure Steam is allowed through both private and public networks. If you use an antivirus suite, check whether it has any web protection or app blocking features that may be interfering with Steam. Temporarily allowing Steam access can help confirm whether security software is the cause. You should also make sure your system date and time are correct. Steam can run into connection errors if your computer clock is out of sync. Go to your Windows date and time settings and set the time automatically. Also make sure your time zone is correct. If needed, click Sync Now to force Windows to update the clock immediately. Finally, do a full restart of everything. Don't just close the game. Completely exit Steam, restart your PC, and power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This can clear temporary network issues and give you a fresh connection to Steam servers. If you go through these steps one by one, Steam error 30 should usually be resolved. Start with the easiest fixes first, then move down the list until the error disappears. And if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more simple fixes just like this. Thanks for watching.